Tuesday. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that Tuesdays are my busiest days. So I'm going to sit down with the little daily printable planner pages that I printed out the other day and make a little list of things to do. It's grocery getting day, so I need to make up a meal plan and a grocery list. I have my computer here and a pile of laundry behind it so that I get to that before I leave this morning. I need to pay some bills, so kind of take care of all of this not so fun stuff all at once. I need to check my, more laundry and cleaning stuff there. I need to check my refrigerator and my pantry and do a little inventory on what I need, what I have, etc. And then I'll gather up my grocery bags and get moving, but for now, I haven't even had coffee yet. So I might brew a cup of coffee and then sit down and work it here in this for a bit. Alright, so I'm doing my pantry inventory. It's a little messy, but not terrible. I got a ton of mac and cheese, so we're definitely going to make use of that this week. Whether it be for lunch or for dinner. I have some spaghetti, so probably enough for lunch, not really enough for dinner. My boys eat a lot. Cereal, surprisingly, there's still a ton of cereal left, so I don't need to buy any cereal this week. And this is the reason why I do my pantry inventory, because cereal is one of those things I put on my list automatically every week, typically. So I would have bought more. And then we would have had way more than we need. What else do we have here? Plenty of ice cream and junk. You guys saw in yesterday's vlog all of the stuff we bought to celebrate Austin. So we got plenty of that. I have some stuffing mix, some ready-to-serve rice, some of these 4 cheese mashed potatoes, whole thing of elbow mac. So we're good there. What is this? Oh, these are biscuits left over from Thanksgiving. I'm gonna eat those up today. Plenty of beef broth that I've had in here for quite a while. You best sell by September 2018. There's no best by date on it, so I'm sure it's fine. Plenty of oatmeal and syrup. Lots of canned goods. Some tomato paste. And Patches wants out, of course. Alright, hold that thought. Alright, marinara sauce, yes. Potatoes, yes. Some canned stuff. So, pretty much don't need to buy any side dishes, which is good. No cereal, which is good. Might be a smaller trip this week, which is awesome. Let's open up the fridge, and I know it's a giant mess. Oh my god, yes. So, milk. Some celery and bell peppers. Good. Lots of stuff to work with. Lots of eggs. Awesome. So let's go make the grocery list. Alright, so here's a little look-see at my day. For my to-do list, I needed to do the pantry inventory, which I did. And you guys see I don't write anything down, I just kind of make a mental note of what we have and what we need. I need to clean out the fridge. I'm going to do that when I get back. Mostly because I'm procrastinating and I don't want to do it. Grocery shopping, I need to film a grocery haul and edit that, as well as the vlog, and get that uploaded. I need to work on thumbnails and description boxes for both of those videos. Laundry, with an exclamation point, because that desperately needs done. I'm behind again. I don't have any appointments for today, which is good. For my meal plan, I don't typically plan out breakfast, lunch, and snacks unless I'm losing weight or attempting to lose weight, which I do need to start doing again. But for today, I'm not doing that, just to have Taco Tuesday planned. I need to remember to pick up Robbie from tutoring at 3. It's not really tutoring, he just stays after school. All the teachers stay after school for extra time on Tuesday. They call it Tuesday with Teachers, so he can get any questions answered, stuff like that. So I gotta pick him up at 3 from that. For my meal plan for the week, I don't know if any of this is interesting to you guys. You'll have to let me know. I think I'm going to make a cabbage soup for myself for lunch, do a little bit of meal prepping. It just sounds really good. As long as I can get all the ingredients pretty cheap and readily available, and there's no more E. coli outbreaks between now and the time I get to the grocery store. It seems like nothing is safe to eat right now, but I think cabbage is okay. And then for Eric, he's just going to do the typical sandwiches or leftovers or whatever. Oh, I need to put fresh fruit on my list, otherwise I'll forget. For our meal plan for the week, we're going to do meatball sandwiches one night. We're going to do tacos, obviously. We're going to do a venison pasta. I'm either going to do steak or chicken fajitas. If I can get the steak on sale, I'll do that. Otherwise, it'll be chicken. We're going to do a venison shepherd's pie. I have pretty much all the ingredients on hand for that. And then we'll do a leftover night and what I call a yo-yo night. Picked that up from Ms. Gold Girl. You're on your own. So they can just make sandwiches or soup or whatever they want. There. So my grocery list is relatively short. So it shouldn't take too long this morning to get everything that I need. So that's all that. Oh, I guess I'll put on my to-do list that I need to work on the budget and pay bills, because that's next. Alright, you guys, so a successful trip to Aldi, and so far I'm under budget, which is awesome. Alright, I just did a quick little look at my list here to see what I still needed, just a couple things, and I'm headed into Walmart. I'm about to pump gas. I'm dreading getting out and freezing, but $2.12 a gallon, guys. Woohoo! Alright, y'all, I just brought everything in. It took me 5 trips to get everything in. Filmed a very rambly grocery haul. And now I gotta put everything away, which means I gotta clean out my fridge, and I really don't want to, so I might not. I might hold off on that. Kind of feeling like procrastinating today. Okay, so I didn't exactly clean out the fridge. I just sort of reorganized it so I can make everything fit. Still needs to be wiped down, obviously, but I'm not doing it today. I don't feel like it. Sometimes you just gotta say no. Got a little bit of coffee creamer there. Yeah, I went a little hog wild buying coffee creamer and pudding cups. I have so many pudding cups, like 1,000 pudding cups, but this is all done. Now I'm gonna edit my grocery haul. Okay guys, so it's 3:15. Robbie got home a little bit ago. I actually didn't end up having to pick him up today. He skipped out on tutoring because he's actually passing all of his classes right now. So that's amazing. I'm actually really grateful that he didn't stay after because it's cold, it's snowing, and it's nice and warm in my house. So I just finished editing the grocery haul and uploading that and getting that all scheduled, as well as the vlog for later on this evening. So my work on the computer for the day is done. I haven't yet rotated laundry, so I need to do that. But I'm going to take a break for a little bit, watch some YouTube videos or maybe some episodes of Law & Order or something, and just put my feet up, because my feet are killing me from wandering around the grocery store all morning. And then I'll make dinner in a little bit, and I'll show you guys that once I get that going. Alright guys, well I kind of dropped the ball and didn't share the dinner process with you because Eric got home right as I started cooking, and we sort of spent that time that I was cooking chit-chatting a little bit and catching up on each other's day. But I got the chicken cooked up. This is ground chicken with diced tomatoes and green chilies and taco seasoning. The taco shells are about to go into the oven. Lettuce and tomato. Cheese is already done on mine, pre-shredded, so super easy taco night. And we have chips and salsa to go with.